Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you how you can manage your buyer and supplier profile on TranZact. Like suppose you have already added a buyer or a supplier, and while adding the buyer and supplier, you mention one of the address. Now you know that there is also one more address which need to mention. How you can do that? On your left hand side, you will see an option of buyer and supplier. Click on this. Here, this is our buyer and supplier module. In this, AirTech solution is one of my buyer. Now, how you can make the changes in it? Right hand side, you will see an option of edit. Please click on this. This is your AirTech solutions profile. So if you can check, the very first is the company details, additional user delivery location and billing address, tags as well, and TDS setting as well. So how you can make the changes? Like the very first thing which you need to go ahead and change, which is the company details. So from here, you can click on edit, and then after you can make the changes. So whatsoever changes is required, you can simply just go ahead and type it and make it. Like this particular company is my buyer and supplier both. So what can I do? I will, in the type, I will select both. Then going below, this is the mobile number which have been mentioned. Now I need to make some changes into this. So what I will do, it's 6002. I will enter it, and then after I will save it. So accordingly, it will be get updated in the profile. In right hand side, if you do have additional user of buyer and supplier, so how you can add it? From this add option, you can add a user in buyer or supplier. So like Shabib Surgical is one of user in this company. So I will just type Shabib at dummy.com and I will save it. So this particular user will get saved. Now here is the delivery location. You can edit the previous saved delivery location, or you can add a new delivery location as well by filling all the details. Same going in the billing address. So this is how you can manage your entire buyer and supplier profile, and accordingly it will be get updated. I hope this video will be helpful in managing your buyer and supplier. Have a good day ahead.